Meet the S-5-CP, the next evolution in solar carport attachments. At S5, we spent decades leading the way in metal roofing innovation, engineering trusted, proven solar attachment solutions. Now, we're bringing the same expertise to the fast-growing world of solar carports with the S-5-CP, our direct-to-purlin solar attachment clamp. The S-5-CP, where CP stands for carport, is engineered specifically for purlin constructed canopies, and it pairs effortlessly with the S-5-PVKIT for a railless, lightweight, and cost-effective solar mounting solution. And with an optional water-resistant EPDM gasket, it even helps reduce water infiltration between modules and at attachment points. Traditional rail systems add material, weight, and labor to your project. But the S-5-CP gives you a direct attach solution with no rails required. That means lower upfront cost, easier installation, and a faster return on investment. What makes the S-5-CP the best choice for your solar carport? The clamp installs from below the purlins using a bottom-facing set screw. That means no drilling, no perforating structural members, and easy wire management. It's compatible with C and Z purlin constructed canopies and is made of high-strength aluminum engineered to last the lifespan of the array while protecting your vehicles and property below. Now let's talk about how it's installed. Partially thread the set screw into the clamp by hand. Position the clamp on the purlin with the bolt hole facing up and the set screw facing down. Tighten the set screw using the included T30 torque spit and a calibrated screw gun. And to further maximize your efficiency, you can pre-assemble the PVKIT to the S-5-CP before installation. From rooftops to carports, S5 has you covered.